Our special snack is right through this door.
That looks pretty small. But if there's a special snack in there, I'll give it a shot.
Pandy!
Hold on. I'm almost in. Do you have a bigger door?
Don't worry, Pandy. We just need a little garden magic.
Whoa!
Are you kidding me?
We're so tiny. Sleepovers are full of magical surprises. Now we can all fit through the door.
But how are we gonna get all the way up there?
By using your fairy wings, of course. This is so dreamy.
Amazing!
We have fairy wings!
You sure do. Just wiggle your wings and up you go.
I'm flying!
Me too!
Whee!
Woohoo! I've always wanted to fly.
Pandy, is this the most cat-tastic thing ever, or what?
Pandy Fairy!
In we go. Whoa, so magical.
This is awesome! Woohoo!
Some mugs,
A pan of milk?
a bowl of chocolate chips,
Ooh.
And a wooden spoon? What kind of snack is this?
well, the mugs tell me it must be something we can drink. What drink can we make with a pan of milk, chocolate chips, and a spoon? Hot chocolate!
Hot chocolate? But we need to heat the milk up.
Hey, Dragon, do you think you could help us with that?
Roar! Wow!
Wow! Thanks, Dragon.
Awesome! I want to dragon at all my picnics.
Now we just add the chocolate chips and stir. Ooh! Who wants some hot chocolate?
Roar!
Here you go, Dragon. Smells yummy.
Wait! I have a little snacky from my packy that's gonna make this hot chocolate even yummier. Marshmallows! Roar!
Delicious.
Roar! Roar! Roar!
Come on.
Woohoo!
We're flying!
Yeah!
Fantastic!
This is awesome!
Thanks to their new dragon friend, the Knights had the best rainbow cloud picnic ever. Over, under, through. Got it, Kiko?
Why did she stop?
I think she's a little nervous to go into the tunnel.
It's okay, Kiko. Sometimes if you're nervous about something new, it helps to do it with a friend. Do you want us to come on the obstacle course with you? You're welcome. She wants us to ride on her back. Alley? Oh! All right, let's go!
Go, Kiko!
Okay, let's help Kiko navigate the obstacle course. Here comes a ball. Should we go over, under, or through? Over! Fantastic! The blocks. Do we go over, under, or through? Under! We did it! Here comes the hoop. Over, under, or through? Through! Woo! Yeah, Kiko! You're doing great! Over! Under! Through! Ooh, the final hoop is really high. This is going to be a hard one, but you can do it, Kiko. We believe in you. All right! Yay, Kiko! Did you see that? When I rubbed Kiko's rainbow heart, she got extra flying power to get through that super high hoop. Aww.
Yowzers! That extra flying power heart is podtastic! What do we do with these, DJ?
We're gonna make a groovy, glowy welcome song. Let's give a big welcome to our new friend up there. We're so jazzed for you to get here. We've got glow sticks out to sing and cheer. We hope you see us and you smile, because we're saying welcome, glow stick style. Everybody say welcome.
Welcome!
Glowy welcome.
Glowy welcome!
We can't wait to meet you.
Woo! Look, up there!
It's the fairy fly.
Wow, wow, wow! Hello, everyone.
Hi there, I'm Gabby.
And I'm Pandy.
And this is DJ
Hey!
and Kitty Fairy
Hi.
and Lily Lou.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Bitty Fairy because I'm Itty Bitty. It's so nice to meet you, Bitty Fairy. Oh, wow, is this bed for me?
It sure is. We made it so you would have somewhere to rest.
I love it. Oh, that was very helpful. Is this fairy berry pie?
We thought you might want a snack after your journey all the way here.
Fairy berry pie is my favorite. This is so kind of you. And were you all singing that glowy welcome song for me?
Well, we heard how much you love to glow.
And we wanted to sing a song to let you know we're so happy you're here.
That made me feel so welcome. You guys are such true fairy friends. I want to give you something super special to say thank you. Blowing deeply boppers for everybody!
This is amusing!
You gotta be kidding me. I'm glowing like a fairy fly.
Wanna make a true friend, a glow inside. Wanna make a true friend, it makes my soul smile. So helpful and kind, so welcoming, and I wanna go wherever you go. You make me feel special. From my glow to my toes, I got a true friend, gonna spread our wings. I got a true friend, gonna try new things. We can race through the stars as we go. Bring our magic to the sky as we sparkle and glow. I got a true friend. I got a true friend. I got a true fairy friend.
Yeah!
Wow, Bitty Fairy, I totally get why you love to glow so much.
You want to know what I love even more than glowing? Making true fairy friends like you.
Welcome to Mermaid Cove.
Where are all the mermaids?
Oh, they're here. We just need to call them out.
How do we do that?
With our mermaid horn, of course. see the mermaids.
I see a blue mermaid. Ooh, and a pink one, and a yellow one.
And green. They're so colorful and sparkly.
Gabby, Pandy, we've been waiting for you.
Come swim with us!
Oh, can we?
Well, you're mermaids now. It's time to see life under the sea.
Follow me. This is Possum. I'm going in.
Are you ready to see where the mermaids play? Let's go.
Mermaid magic. Go on a whim with us, swim with us. Come frolic and flap your fins with us. Come see how it feels to be so free. Free in the sea. Mermaid magic. So free. Mermaid magic. Out here in the sea. See all the fish and sea sponges. Sea turtles, old and young. There's so many bubbles, underwater rainbows. There's nowhere quite like Mermaid Cove. Mermaid magic. So free. Mermaid magic. Out here in the sea. Mermaid magic. It's a place that none many know. Mermaid magic. Down here in Mermaid Cove. We're living so free in the sea. Mermaid magic.
Follow the glittery trail to meet the wizard.
A classic tale.
We'll skip and sing along to a glittery kitty song.
Roar!
Did you hear that? It sounded like a lion.
Ta-da! It's Marty, the party lion. Roar!
Wow, Marty. You make a roarsome lion.
I hear you're headed to the Emerald City to see the wizard. I thought you might need a brave Marty lion to protect you. Roar!
It couldn't hurt. Come on.
Okay, Marty. The wizard asked us for 3 things. Something sweet, something cone-shaped,
And something cold. We still need to find something cold before we get to Emerald City. So keep an eye out.
Something cold, huh? Well, I've got something cold that will make sure they never find their way to Emerald City. How about some blizzard bubbles? Hello, my kitties.
Ah! Oh no! It's the bad witch!
Get ready for some blizzard bubbles.
lizard bubbles.
That doesn't sound good. Oh,
I can't believe it. It's real snow.
Pandy, that's it. That snowball is our something cold. We've got everything the wizard asked for. Come on. Next stop, Emerald City.
Gabby, I think we might have a problem.
One of those green doors is the door to Emerald City where the wizard lives.
Yeah, but the trail's covered in snow. We can't see the path to the right door. And we were so close.
hang on, my little scarecrow pal. I remember in the story, the door to the Emerald City has a window shaped like a rectangle. Let's see, which window is shaped like a rectangle? That's the one.
That means this is the door to Emerald City. Marty the Lion, you roar.
What do you think, Pandy? Do you want to give it a knock?
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Hey! Who goes there?
It's Pandy the Scarecrow, Marty the Lion, and Gabby, the girl with the sparkly shoes. We're here to see the Wizard of Meow.
Well, did you bring everything he asked for?
Yep, it's all right here in my basket.
Well, in that case, welcome to Emerald City!
Whoa!
We're going to Emerald City!
Good luck.
Thanks for your help. Bye.
Today we're going to make our very own fire-breathing dragon. Wow! Can I try to make one too? Of course you can make one, Sparkle the Tritastic. You're my dragon expert. For this craft, you need a toilet paper roll, pom-poms, tissue paper strips, your handy-dandy glue stick, googly eyes, and glittery paint. Ooh, sparkly! Just like you. Now take the toilet paper roll and paint it with the glitter paint. I'm painting too! Crafty-rific painting! Now we'll each need 2 pom-poms and 2 googly eyes. Glue the pom-poms on first. Boop, 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 boop. And now the googly eyes. Boop, 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 boop. 2 tiny pom-poms for the nostrils. Snort, snort. Snorty, snort, snort, snort. Now get your tissue paper strips and glue them to the inside of the roll. Like this. There's our dragon. Oh, and let's not forget the finishing touch. Glasses, just like me. Yeah. Now watch this. Whoa! Right? A fire-breathing dragon! I'm gonna try now. Woohoo! Sparkle-rific! Sparkle, Sparkle! Thanks for building the dragon with us. Bye!